Most people don't realize there are actually two different ways to turn off Find My iPhone. One directly from your iPhone, and another through the iCloud website. But before we go through the steps, here's what you need to know. Turning off Find My means your iPhone can no longer be tracked, so only do this if you're selling it, trading it in, or sending it for repair. Now let's go over both methods. Method 1. Turn off Find My directly on your iPhone. If you still have your iPhone with you, this is the easiest method. Open Settings. Tap your Apple account at the very top. Select Find My. Then tap Find My iPhone. Toggle Find My iPhone off. Enter your Apple account password. Then tap Turn Off in the top right corner. And that's it. Your iPhone is now removed from Find My and ready for repair, trade-in, or its next owner. But if you're selling the device, there's one more important step I'll show you in just a second. Method 2. Turn off Find My using iCloud.com. Now, if you no longer have access to the iPhone, you'll need to disable Find My remotely using iCloud.com. But here's the important catch. Your iPhone must be offline for this method to work properly. If the device is still online, you won't be able to remove it immediately. So you have a few options. You can wait for the iPhone to go offline, like when it's powered off or disconnected from the internet, or if someone still has access to the device, they can turn it off first. But if you personally still have the iPhone with you, don't use this method. The first method is much easier. Here's how to do it. Go to iCloud.com and sign in. Choose Find My. Then select your iPhone from the device list. If the iPhone is already offline, choose Remove from Account. This completely disables Find My for that device. But if the iPhone is still online, you'll need to select Erase iPhone first, then remove it from your account afterward. Important reminder, once Find My iPhone is turned off, you will no longer be able to track the device. So only disable it if you're selling it, trading it in, or no longer using it. And finally, if you're selling your iPhone, don't forget this last step. Go back to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Then choose Sign Out. This helps prevent activation lock issues for the next owner.